Good morning, sunshine. Our April began with Dorothy in Chattanooga, where I collected some moss and some honeysuckle shrub. Back in the Queendom, I documented. Today, I tilled over here again. I transplanted the Mexican sage over there. I've got some fancy irises coming up back there. And now I'm going to plant my other 8 asparagus pips right here. I need to take care of that. Doesn't look too good, does it? There you go. Which is cold. We celebrated Easter at the Sweet Acre farmhouse. Paisley really enjoyed her Easter basket. Penny spent the night with us that weekend, and we took her to the Claremont playground, where she made lots of friends and chased lots of bubbles. You caught it! Oh, balloons are almost as much fun as bubbles. Gee! That's so much fun. Oh, that one popped, didn't it? In the Queendom, Penny learned many new things, like Dooley teaches us about our bones. This is a captured video frame of an ash borer beetle, clover blossoms, columbine, cornflowers, and ferns unfurling, catnip and creeping jenny, daffodils with bugs, daisies and dianthus, and Diamorphus smollii, a sprouted cotoneaster, hyacinth, stars of Bethlehem, and wild geranium, the toughest weed I dealt with this year. I discovered a coral honeysuckle after clearing and transplanting behind the outbuilding. Hawthorne Hill is nearby, and so is the berm and poplar downs. Strawberries are blooming around Sea Rock. That's where my raspberry patch is. I planted some peas back there, and my purple irises are blooming near Trumpet Vine Oasis. And there's Hawthorne Hill's hawthorn, getting pollinated by bees. And these are Mama's spiderworts that are coming up in Hawthorne Hill's gardens. I got into some poison ivy digging them about 30 years ago. I photographed tiny bugs and microscopic organisms using the old Sony. I made 2 new terraces in teal olive triangle and planted some vegetables. Lots of sunshine, very little rain this month, giving me cornflowers of many colors. On the 14th, I had to rescue a dragonfly. This month, we visited Full Bloom a few times. This is a Ladybank's rose that I hope will climb on the swimming pool fence. I am happy to report that their pond water is thriving.